So this is my trades summed up for the day. All right. So Nvidia opened, it headed downward. It took some profits from pre-market because pre-market flew up because of good news. Nvidia selling H20 chips to China again. Whoopity-doo. So it went down to this support level, which I marked out from back here, and it ran up. And it made a fair value gap right here. Let me erase this. I don't want to. So this fair value gap right here, if you don't know what fair value gap is, it's this body candle surrounded by these wicks. There's no wicks to the left or the right of this green candle right here. So that is a fair value gap. So as soon as this went down and inverted, disrespected that fair value gap like this, I know it's going to go down a little bit. So it came down, it touched up here again, just to kind of go back into the imbalance and get everything more balanced. That's what it does. It goes back to imbalances. This is a magnet for trade. So it comes up here, and I took a trade here and I sold right here. I could have held way longer and made more money, but what can you do? So it went down and hit this support level again, and then that's where I thought, okay, I'm gonna buy some calls. It's gonna go back up. So I bought some calls. As soon as it hit this support level again, it came down, retested the support level. I bought some calls and I sold here way too early again. That's my problem. I sold too early for a good gain. Here's my profit for the day. This stuff works, guys. If you learn it, you can make some money. I made this money in 40 minutes. You can't beat it. All right, it's 9:30, market open. Nvidia selling off to this target area I marked. And there is an order block here that happened pre-market. So it's possible it can go down, dip into here, and that's when we would be looking into buying big for calls. It hit this area right here, right where we marked. But let's be patient, just watch what it does. QQQ, same thing, going down, selling off a little bit. It's probably going to come and hit this mark right here. So right now we're just going to watch it, be patient, see what happens. People are selling off. CPI reports came out too. Inflation's a little higher than expected, but it's not anything crazy high. Manufacturing is stabilizing. So the economy is doing well. So that's not a big factor. All right, so it hit the support, swept some liquidity, and it's going straight up. So now there is a fair value gap right here that I want it to invert or to go deep into so we can keep running up. Like that. I get my calls ready. If it goes in there. So that is inverted fair value gap. If it closes below, then maybe I can buy some puts saying it's going to go down. Let's try that. QQQ is heading down. That's a good sign. It hit this support level, so it might be coming up now, which is not a good sign for us. I feel like we can make a couple $100 here, possibly. A stop loss of 120, just so I can make some profit. Oh, it's not gonna happen. It's hard to hold a put today because everything's so bullish. So I'm just gonna sell for $100 gain. That should be fine. Hopefully I get some gain. Oh, maybe not. It's coming back up. Should have sold. Because if you're holding when everything's bullish, there you go. $100. Now it came back up and come back down. This is where I should buy when it comes back up in here. So the question is it gonna keep going down or does it want to go back up? That's something we have to watch. I think it's gonna keep going back down, especially since QQ has kind of a downward trend. So I'm gonna wait for it to dip back in here and buy a put. If it goes the other way, I'll just put a stop loss and that's it. Looks like it's recovering a little bit. Be patient. I like to watch the QQQ because they are the same. They are coupled together. QQ is going up, Nvidia is going down. You don't see that all the time, but it kind of gives you a clue of where it's going, though, you know? QQ is going up, Nvidia is going to follow, just like right there. So I'll wait for it to go a little higher. Maybe I'll buy 20 puts if it reaches high. A little higher. Come on. Go a little deeper. No, that might be it. Yep. Selling all. Oh, never mind. Keep going. There's a lot of buying pressure. I might just buy 10. See what happens. And of course, it goes up right when I buy. That's how it goes. I'll buy 10 more if it reaches up here. Big selling pressure in this area. As you can see, it comes up and it immediately comes down. So there's a lot of sellers in there. QQQ is going down as well. I'll probably sell at 222. I'm not trying to make big profit today. I just want to take quick profits. Today, that would be nice. Maybe I'll hold for a little bit. For a little bit, because it looks like it wants to go up, though, to be honest. That's the thing. I bought in at 112. It's 118 now. At least make $100. Come on. There it goes. Another $100. $200 scalped real quick just because this inverse fair value gap. It's easy. I probably could have made more, but it is a bullish day. So I don't want to be holding on to puts for too long, even though it's probably going to go all the way down here. It's fine. I don't want to be risky today. I just want to make a couple $100 because, all right. Obviously, I would have made a lot more money if I just held on to what I had because I made a put bet right here and I sold right here. But look at all this. But I didn't want to hold in a positive day. Everything's positive today. QQQ, Nvidia, good news came out. Inflation report is out. Everything's not terrible. So I don't want to hold a put too long on a day that's up. But that was a mistake in my part because look, usually I would have waited for this support mark to be hit, but I didn't. I missed out on like $500 there, but what can you do right now? I want to look for calls because Nvidia is on an up day. It is positive news. It's on an uptrend. Let's look at the hour. Look at the hourly. The hourly is a pure uptrend, up, 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 up. Manipulation, liquidity sweep, up, 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 up. Liquidity sweep again, and it might go up again. So if there are signs that it's going up, then I will buy some calls. QQQ is consolidating and may start heading up or may start heading down. It looks like up for now, so Nvidia is going to follow, heading up. So I should have bought my calls right here, but whatever. I'll be patient. It's going to come back down, hopefully. I mean, these techniques work. It's easy to see what big money wants to do. Right now, they want to recover and keep the trend upward. So they're going to go up. They may come back down, hit this line here, and then go up. That's where I would want to buy in. If it hits this line again, I'll buy some calls and have a stop loss down here so I don't lose too much money in case it wants to keep going down. So the important thing is you gotta have stop losses. The point is to make money, but the number one rule is don't lose money. You can't lose money. This gap right here has been inverted, touched, and now it's going back up. So this is a confirmation right here alone that it's gonna go up. And it may very much will. So all right, I'm gonna try and buy some calls here as soon as it gives me a little opening. Like that. Oh. Okay. I am in. Let's see what happens. Maybe it recovers. Let's see. I'll probably take profit if it goes up around here-ish. If it goes up. Going into the value gap again. Maybe it wants to keep going down. Very possible. QQQ is going to test that bottom again, probably go up. So this is why you have to be patient, because right here is where I should have bought. That would be down 80 bucks. I'll buy 10 more right here. And if it keeps going down in here, I sell out and take that loss. That's fine. But I have a feeling it's going to come back up. Buyers are coming in. I need it to rip into this. There's another fair value gap right here. Up 130 bucks. Sell pressure. QQQ is going down. That's not a good sign at all. Yep. Nvidia is going to follow QQQ. So QQQ is going up. Nvidia is going to go up, most likely. Yep. QQQ is going down. Nvidia is going to go down. Not a good sign. So I might want to start taking risk off the table. If QQQ keeps going down and breaks the support, that would not be good at all for our trade. So you got to kind of keep an eye on two things here. So QQQ is bouncing off of this support, which is good news. All right, we're about to be back in the positive. Oh, QQQ's going back down. Come on, bro. This might go bad. It's trying. A lot of people are taking profits. That's the thing. People are taking profits. Made an all-time high today. People want their money. I don't blame them. All right, should take profit at maybe when this hits 165, something like that, or when this goes up here and tests this value, fair value gap, up 100 bucks. Being a little patient because it is a positive day. There it goes. There it goes. People are buying. Oh, I should have sold 165, like I said. That's why you stick to your marks, man. 165 would have been great. That would have been great for me. Yeah. All right, QQ is on the way up. We're good. Just be patient. Be patient, patient, patient wins, bro. Patience wins. Up 100. I'm trying to get up 200. Peace. Oh, nope, it's going the wrong way. You're going the wrong way, fool. Fuck. Put a stop at 165. 168. 171. I'm up 400 bucks, 450 at the moment. And I made about 400 bucks there. All right. Right in this fair value gap, right where I wanted to sell. This shit works, guys. If you follow the rules, if you trade with the institutions, you will make some money. Here is my profit total for the day. I made it in just about 40 minutes. Not a bad day, guys. See you the next one. Peace.